Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to show you how to program a universal garage door opener remote. This remote will work on almost any garage door opener. This is the universal remote GDR27MLT. I purchased this remote on Amazon, but Home Depot and Lowe's will also sell something the same or similar. The name of this garage door opener is Chamberlain, model number LW2200. The first thing you want to do is you want to find out the location and the color of the Learn button on the garage door opener. Usually, the Learn button is underneath the cover of the garage door opener, but on this Chamberlain garage door opener, the Learn button is on the outside. The next thing you want to do is to remove the visor clip that is on the back of the remote. Just pull it out and it should come right out very easily. If you look very closely, you can see in the middle there is a button you want to push that button down for a couple of seconds until the red LED on the front comes on and stays on. The next thing we want to do is to take a little instruction sheet that came with the universal remote control that tells us how many times we have to push the Learn button on the garage door opener. So we are going to use the yellow button instructions. And now we want to push the yellow button on the Chamberlain garage door opener one time. Next, we are going to push one of the little buttons on the universal remote one time and then hold it for a second. Out of the three buttons here, you get to pick out which one you like. We're going to pick the middle one. Then we go back to the garage door opener and hold the Learn button until the LED comes on. Next, we are going to the remote and hold the Program button until you hear 2 clicks and the red LED comes on. And that should do it. You are finished, and now we can test the remote opener to see if it works. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.